we go. Tried to escape some of the rain, Seattle. So, see if this works. Well, I didn't expect it to be dry exactly, just according to the AccuWeather, might have been less chance of rain than Seattle. So here I am, and there are the clouds. Never forget the first time I was taken down this upcoming road, which is supposed to be one way, that a car came up it the wrong way, which was quite scary because it's windy, gradually downhill, and would be really fun to like lean into, but not sure of oncoming local traffic. Can't really do that, so car back. Oh, we're busy. Street on the left, that's the way back. Street on the right, here we go. So pretty sure this is the entrance to a mailbox hike, which is pretty, yeah, there we go. Pretty tough one, I hear. I won't be doing it, so I'm out here on wheels. Seen it in the summer months. Here's the fall. Fall hikers out. Okay, here's the fun gravel section, unpaved. Oh, another car, possibly. Yep. Wave them on. I'm sure they like that. Here's another one. One hand. Whoa. Careful, people. Uh-oh. Well, guess what? I think we're all good. Here's a little bit of rub, but can't be too sure what that is. I don't know if you can read that. So we're almost to the end, I think. And then a quick turnaround. I plan to spend all morning, afternoon out here. Taking my chances already with incoming showers that are expected. So okay, we'll continue on. We've gone out that way before, but it's really potholed and there's no need today, especially since it's so wet. Good thing I brought these guys today, right? Feet would be soaking. Time to head back. This is a quick turnaround. Okay, here comes the craziness. Sound. Well, guess I can't really worry about it, right? See, there's some sun. So a good decision to come to Middle Fork, right? So, all right, look at that. Nice. I wonder if Seattle has that. Onward. Weather was great. Roads are damp, but it's totally manageable. It's amazing to me how much faster that return trip is compared to the way out. I don't know what it is. You know, you can barely discern a gradient. I mean, it's not totally pan flat, but it doesn't seem that much different. But the return trip is just like, you can smoke it, even with the wet road. Anyway, didn't see one other bicyclist out here. Plenty of cars, though, plenty of hikers.